Hi everyone, I'm Chanel and I am your craft fairy, back with video number 2 and my sack of goodies. Now I promised you punches next and other goodies, so let me show you what we have in my sack. Okay, you ready for this? Now I told you I had punches that I'm giving away and here they are. Watch till the end of the video if you're not sure what all this is about. There is an introduction video about these freebies that I'm giving away, and how you can get hold of them will be at the end of the video. Everything's free. Okay, so we have this great big huge it's like a starburst kind of thing, and it is quite big actually. It's about, I don't know, 2 inches, maybe bigger than that, 2.5, 3 inches. So there is that punch there. Then I have, look, a little house punch. Oh, now this is a like corner punch. I do not know what that is for. I do not know. Maybe you can figure it out, but it's got like just a decorative corner there, and we have like almost a smaller sort of starburst thing, but it's not spiky edges. It's like a, it's not a flower, it's weird. Okay, so that one, they're quite heavy as well, those punches. Then I have a star border punch. It's a mini one, but you can go across your whole page. So there's a star edge punch, and I have a star, and it actually cuts the center out. And then we have a 1.5 inch circle punch, and these are made by Dovecraft, these ones. So that's just a 1.5 circle punch. So if you don't have one, you can have one now. This is a really lovely punch. This is by Leonem. It's like flowers and leaves and petals, and it makes up this whole decorative set there. Okay, so there are the punches for now. So let me get rid of those and put them away, and I'll show you what else we have. Ooh. Okay, I have this container, and now, like I said before, I won't send the containers. This is just what I've kept bits in, and this is basically full of oops, if you can see, it's full of sentiments. There's just every sort of sentiment in here. Oh gosh, there's so much in here really. There's just dig through here. Let's have a look. I've got just a note, fabulous friend, the bride to be, congratulations, happy birthday. Now these I did with my what was it called? Oh, I forgot what it's called, how I made them. It'll come to me. That's done on a die cutting machine, but you put pens in it. I forgot what it's called now. Wishing you a fabulous birthday. There's just lots and lots and lots of sentiments here. Great big sister-in-law. So if you make cards, these are just perfect get well soon. This is just a great big container. Excuse me. Oh, look at this. Ah, I love you. I do love you all. Very, very much. Oh, these were nice as well. Look at that. I've forgotten the machine that I used to cut these out. Look at that. Happy birthday. It's beautiful. I don't know if you can see, it's gold. And these, that machine drew as well. There's another I Heart You. Oh, you're a winner. Oh, well, this one's quite cute as well. To someone special. That was a die. So there is basically an assortment in here of dies, of oh, I can't think of the machine that I did it on. It'll come to me. But anyway, so if you do card making, there's a whole bag of, there's quite a few of these as well. And they really are lovely. Oh. Oh, and you've got some 21s as well to make 21 cards. It's just really a variety. Oh, there's an 18 as well. What does it say? La la love you. That is just, oh my gosh. I mean, I've got so many bags and boxes. So there is that whole container full of sentiments there. Now, bear with me one more second and I will. There is also another, now, there is a great big, I don't know if you can see in there. This is a great big envelope. It's a huge envelope. And in here, I can't pull it all out. It's just too much. There is more sentiments. And, look. Oh my goodness me. There's lots more of these 21s, 18s, with love. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Everywhere. Have a great day. These are bits that I have stamped, cut out, these little chipboard things. I mean, just look. This just absolutely full to the brim of these. Look. There is just so many in there. I don't really want to pull it all out because it's just going to go everywhere. But this would keep you busy with your card making. I just used to make them and store them. And there's these like tag things. Thank you. Oh, I did go and do it, didn't I? Oh, there's just some little things that I've made. Hugs and kisses, mum, daughter. You get the idea here. There's, look, oh, giant cupcake. There's just lots and lots and lots of bits and pieces. And what's this? Spring chicken. There's a tag. Lots of, there's some little clouds. You can write your own things. May your special day be filled with memories and flowers, friendship and happy hours. Oh, there's even some little characters that I've stamped and never used. Oh my gosh. Another with love. Some tags here that I made from some DSP that have things on. Just thank you. And there's some happy birthday ones. All of my heart. Brother's garage. That was from a Debbie Moore set, I think. What does this one say? Every day is a journey. So there are kind of like two lots of these sentiments, and as you can see, just lots. And now I've got to clear up this mess now. I hope you realise. I hope you're all happy. Like, oh, you make me. I think there must be a smile in there somewhere. Special friends. There's lots. I just stamped these out and cut them up and did loads and loads and loads of these. So if you've got a batch of cards that you need to make, this lot is absolutely perfect. Some little chipboard hearts. Oh, that's my cat being an absolute doofus. I'm going to have to turn this round so you can see what he's doing. He's climbed the ladder. What are you doing? Thing. What are you doing? You're going to get stuck there. Now what? Bing. Naughty boy. He's come to see what I'm doing. Okay, so that's another lot done. So just let me know if you'd like any of these goodies. Email me at the email address below. Just let me know what number video it's from, what item you want, tell me where you live, and I will weigh it and give you a price for postage. The items are absolutely free, just pay the postage. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm having lots of fun here, having a really good clear out. So take care for now, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.